In this video, I'll show you how to star favorite boards in Monday.com. Start from your main workspace dashboard. Look through the left sidebar and find the board you want to favorite. Move your cursor over the board name and click it. From the drop-down, you'll see a star-shaped icon. Click the star icon. Once selected, the star will usually become filled or highlighted, which means the board has been added to your favorites section. Now look near the top of your sidebar or inside the favorites section. The board should now appear there for quicker access. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing your browser. You can repeat this process for other frequently used boards like project trackers, content calendars, CRM boards, or dashboards. If you ever want to remove a board from favorites, simply click the star icon again to unstar it. Using favorite boards helps reduce navigation time and keeps your most important workflows easier to access throughout the day. And that's how to star favorite boards in Monday.com.